everyone, welcome back to Tasty Curry Heaven. If this is your first time joining us, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on that notification bell so that we could bring to you delicious recipes every single week. And today I'm going to make this mouth-watering black beans. For this recipe, we need 250 grams of black beans that are washed and soaked for 8 hours, coriander leaves, 1 large onion finely cut, a puree of 2 tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic and chili paste, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 2 tablespoons of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, salt to taste, oil, and asafoetida. In order to pressure cook our black beans, we will add the black beans into the pressure cooker and add water, almost double the quantity of black beans, about 1 inch above the black beans. Then add 1 tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of turmeric powder. Pressure cook the black beans for 6 whistles. In the meanwhile, we will make the masala. Now add 1 cup of oil into the pan. Then add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Fry them until they splutter. Then add half a teaspoon of asafoetida. Here's a fun fact: asafoetida helps reduce the bloating that you get after eating black beans. Now add 1 finely chopped onion. Add half a teaspoon of salt so that the onions fry a little quicker. And fry the onions until they are golden brown. The onions are now golden brown. We will now add ginger, garlic, and chili paste that we made by blending together ginger, garlic, and chili. Then add the tomato puree from 2 tomatoes and mix everything together. Then add 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, stir and fry until the oil separates. Then add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, keep stirring the masala so it does not burn, and turn the flame to medium now. The masala is now cooked really well. As you can see, the oil is separating. The black beans are almost done in the pressure cooker. After 6 whistles, turn off the gas and wait for the pressure to be released from the pressure cooker. Then add the black beans to our masala. As you can see, the black beans are just perfectly cooked and they are ready to be added into our masala. Give it a good mix. And now we will add 1 tablespoon of garam masala. Add some finely chopped coriander leaves. Give it a little mix and then cook it for 10 minutes with the lid covered. It has been 10 minutes and our masala is fully cooked along with the black beans. It looks delicious and it smells really delicious. Our delicious black beans are now ready to serve and enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you did try this recipe, let us know in the comment section below. We would love it if you join us. Make sure to hit that notification bell along with the subscribe button so that we can notify you of new delicious recipes every single week, and that too completely free. Now have a wonderful day, and until next time, get spiced and thrive.